What's going on, guys? Welcome back. And today, super excited, about to go pick up LS53 or LS7 if you want to be technical with it. But yeah, we're going V8, guys, so I'm hyped. It's going in the S13, so I'm about to go pick it up right now. But first, I'm going to go pick up my friend first. Maybe we'll check out his F100 build or project. But yeah, I'm about to head out right now. What up, way?
Oh fuck! What we gonna do? What? Gonna fucking rob him or what?
Yeah, well, maybe, I don't know. Shoot, we're in the hood.
Shit. Right, we are.
I don't live around here. You gonna show me your truck or what?
Which truck?
Your truck.
My truck?
Yeah.
Not the Ranger truck?
Yeah, your truck.
It's not here yet.
For real? Where's it at?
Yeah, it's at my uncle's house right now.
What do you got here then? The Cougar?
My Cougar back there. Well, my other truck's back there, the old one.
Well, show me those.
Nah, I'll do it in a bit.
Okay.
I don't have the strap on my field. Should have probably bust right.
Oh yeah, it's too thin. I got this, but
Oh yeah, it works. So we just grab it.
where you gonna hook it up?
I'm gonna grab it on the back. See, you want to grab it closer to the front so it can balance out.
All right, so I just got home. I'm super excited. Let me know what trend should I run? Should I run the T56 or should I do the CD 009 from a 350Z with the Collins plate? I haven't really looked up prices on both, so let me know what's cheaper or what. Also, I'm probably gonna do the wiring specialty harness because I ain't trying to make my own, because wiring, I hate wiring, so I'd rather just buy the wire harness already set up, ready to go and everything. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and start stripping it down. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm probably gonna just take out the wiring, the flywheel, and the converter, because I don't have a engine stand yet. I gotta get one before I put it in my garage or in my backyard, but I'm probably gonna do that right now and then take it out and then start stripping it down later when I get an engine stand. Alright, new day, so I picked up a engine stand from OfferUp, 60 bucks, pretty good deal. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out the water pump, the power steering pump, manifold, just start stripping it all down. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so I'll open up the valve cover. It doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty clean, actually. Check it out. Don't see a lot of black. It's mostly orange. No buildup, no junk. So, we might have something good here. On this side, too. Alright guys, so I got it all stripped down. took all the truck parts out of it. I gotta order all the LS stuff on there, but man, I'm hype. Any suggestions on like 240 like mounts and stuff, let me know on the comment section, or what should I do, like budget wise though. I ain't trying to ball out yet, but plans on this probably like definitely the LS manifold, maybe a cam. I don't know about the head. I'm probably just gonna leave it simple. But yeah, dude, I'm super excited. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. So yeah, you already know, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.